Welcome guys, this is Hesh Fitness. Today I'm going to do a video about unboxing Muscletech Nitrotech Whey Protein. So before we get started, I would like to request you to go and subscribe to my channel and help me reach 1000 subscribers. Okay, before we move on to the unboxing part, let's see some details about this product. There are some details about the Muscletech and directions, warnings, notice and supplement facts, and there are some other things. 4 grams of glutamine and gluten free, 5.5 grams of BCAAs, 24 grams of protein, and 5.5 pounds, that means 2.51 kilograms. Okay, let's unbox this. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading more videos about supplement products and many more videos about this fitness industry.